Hello, Brittany here, back again with a new video. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of products. So if you know me, you know I love e.l.f. Cosmetics. They're one of my favorite brands. Really, I pretty much use all e.l.f. cosmetic items now. I really have switched over. I was using some really high-end brands. I've tried some other drugstore brands, and I've been all over the board with, you know, when it comes to cosmetic and skincare products, and I love e.l.f. Cosmetics. I can honestly say their products, it's really high quality, and for the price, it's like super affordable, super cheap, and the packaging, the quality, everything is wonderful about them. So let's go into what I got in this box. So I noticed that they got some new items, and I was like, well, you know, I'm gonna try them out. So if you watched some of my previous videos, you know I love the no budge eyeshadow sticks, and so they came out with a new ones. They're called Cookies and Dreams. I want to say cookies and cream, but it's Cookies and Dreams. So this shade is Cookie Lover. It had 4 of them, so this one is, yeah, Cookie Lover. So I'm going to do a little swap test. I should have, let me see. Hold on 1 second, because they're kind of, okay, there we go. They have these little stickers on it to seal them, and they're kind of, well, you can twist the cap and break it. So do a little swap test here. So just to show you the little swap right there. So it's a real chocolatey brown. It does have a little bit of glitter in it. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, but it does. So that's that one. This one's called Chill Zone Relax. This one, yeah, Chill Zone Relax. So these little things are, the sticker is on there. Let me see. Oh, okay, so this is like a bluish color here. They go on really creamy too, really. If you can, I don't know if my camera is not wanting to focus on it. It's a pretty cool color. It's actually like the exact, well, on the camera it doesn't look like it so much, but in person it's almost like the exact color as the little packaging. You just can't really, it looks a little different on camera though. This one's called Sweet Cream, and this one is going to be, well, it's like really white. So if you see, it goes on really easy, and it is white. Okay. I'm excited to try these out because I know I love all the other ones, so I'm really excited to try the new Cookies and Dream collection. This one's Midnight Milkshake. Okay. Sorry for the noise these make to try to open. They don't open that hard. It's just that they're brand new, and they got this label on here. Instead of me trying to go scratch it off or pull it off, you know, I just thought I would just twist it open. But you can, like, see if you really get under there, you can just pull it off, which I'm going to pull them off later. I just didn't want to spend much time doing that on camera, so that's why I just twisted them to open them. So this one, yeah, it's like it's black. It looks kind of like a dark brown on camera, but it's black. Yep. So I would say they're all pretty true to the color on here. And then just in case y'all didn't know, on these kind of eyeshadow sticks, they do come with the little sharpener at the bottom. It just unscrews, and then you can sharpen the tip of the eyeshadow stick, and it just snaps back in. And then they also had a little eyeshadow palette, which of course, you know, I wanted to try. So this one's Cookie and Dreams eyeshadow palette. It's got, see, I'm trying to see if it's got the, I guess it doesn't have the color of the shades on here. No. Okay. Well, anyway, let me see. Yeah, it's sealed too. But see, this one has an easy little peel off the back. And then you can open it, supposedly. Okay, they got another peel. Okay, well, at least they make this one a little bit kind of simple. So, that's one thing I don't like to have to take off stickers off of products. Okay. This is something else I should have did off camera, but I guess I might as well show how it is. So it's a cute little palette though. I really love the little blue color though, it's really cute. So that's the color of the shades. So I'm going to try, let's see, I'm gonna swatch them here. Ooh, this really, oh my god, it feels like so smooth and it picks up good pigment. So let's see how it looks here. So if you can see down here, I'm very, very pale, so it's probably hard to see on me, but it's right there. And then let's try this little brown shade here. Yeah, it picks up really good. They seem to be very, very pigmented for sure. And then we're gonna do this little, now this is like a cream color, but it's like metallic, so it sparkles. And if you can see all my pale skin, it does have some shine on it. Very pretty. Okay, let's try, I'm gonna do this blue glitter one. Ooh, that's pretty. Really deep blue there. And it sparkles. I don't know if you can tell so much on the camera, but it really is a beautiful color in person. Okay, I'm gonna try to wipe some of this eyeshadow off my fingers here. So we're gonna try this one here. It's like a light blue glitter. It's pretty. Yeah, so this one seems to be a little more sheen. If you can see it, it does shine though, but it is a little more sheen to it. And then we're gonna try this one here. And that's it. Try it up here. They're creamy, like real, not creamy, but like super soft. They feel like velvety almost. They're like really soft. You know, I'm just picking it up, the color up with my finger, but you know, I'll try it out with the brushes too to see how they blend. But it seems like they would blend pretty easy. They're really nice. That's this color here. It's like a little tan color. But they are pretty pigmented. I mean, it really is. They show up really well. We're going to do the darkest shade here. And it's dark. So, yeah, really pigmented. So, yeah, I think I'm going to like it. I like the colors that they give you. It's a nice little, you know, it's got a couple different shades of the blues, and then you got your tans and your dark and your light. So you can really use this really good. You know, you can do a 3-color combination. You can use this for, you know, the corner of your eye and your brow bone. You can use this as an eyeliner. You know, you can do a lot with just this one little palette. So I think it's worth it. And again, I don't have the price on me, but I'll try to pull it up on the website again. But you know, their prices are really usually pretty cheap on things, so it always affordable. And so this is their new brush little collection from the Cookies and Dreams. So it comes with a flat eyeshadow brush, an eye contour brush, and a blending brush. And I thought they were so cute though, with the little black and white like swirl. And the little brushes, the bristles are like, you know, two-tone with the black and white. So I thought they were really cute. I thought, you know, I have to get them to, you know, use with the little eyeshadow palette. So I thought, okay. And then I got these. These are just a line and define eye tape. I've never used tape before. So, you know, I just freehanded my eyeliner. I usually use eyeshadow for my eyeliner instead of an actual eyeliner, just because I have a more kind of hooded eyelid, and if you watch my previous videos, I can't see out my right eye, legally blind in that one. So my vision is, you know, it's really impaired. So putting on my makeup without my glasses is always a challenge, of course. So I've come to find out that it's easier for me to work with eyeshadow than an actual eyeliner. It goes on smoother, easier, better application for me. So, but I thought, well, I do want to try out some of their tape just to see, you know, when you're blending eyeshadow, it makes it easier too, where you don't have it coming down here. So I was like, well, you know, I'll try it out, and maybe it'll actually make it a little quicker to apply the eyeliner. So I'm trying those out. I got 2 packs. They come with 40 strips, so you know, I'm sure you can probably reuse one on one eye if you want to. But yeah, so you get a total pair of 20. And then I got the Matte Magic Mist set. It's a setting spray to give a matte finish. I've never tried theirs before. I usually use a different one. I've used different brands, but never tried one from e.l.f., so I'm excited to try that out. Here, I'll unbox it too, so you can see what it looks like. It's just a little black bottle like this with the little spray. Okay, and then this was a free gift with my order. It's called the Primer Infused Blush. Always Spicy is the shade for long-lasting wear. So that, thought I'd try it out. From the other choices they gave me, I had some of the products. So I was like, well, I want to try something different. And then this was also a free gift. It's the Putty Eye Primer Clay, crease and smudge proof for 12 hours. So thought I'd try that out too. And then what else do I have here? Oh, and then I just got a fluffy eye blending brush, just a little regular black one here. And then I got these, which are new for me. I have not tried these out yet, so I'm excited to. They have some other shades too, but I just got these 3. They're the little liquid glitter eyeshadow. So I'll do a little swatch of them to show what they look like. This one's called 24 Karat Gold. So the cute little container here says e.l.f. So let's try it out. Okay, so that's the little applicator, and let's see. Yeah, it is pretty sparkly. Yeah, I definitely like that. It's a really pretty color too, so I'm excited to try these out. Thought they'd be kind of quick to apply and easy and really give a sparkle without having to actually use them. Okay, I'm just dropping on the floor. Alright, and then I got this one. This is called Disco Queen. It's like a silver glitter. So, try this one. It really goes on easy. So this one I see it's got more of a sheer kind of tint. I mean, it's not like as thick as like the gold one, I would say, but it gives a nice pretty silver shine. So I think it would look really pretty on eyelids, so I'm excited to try that one out too. This one's called Flirty Birdie. It's a cute little name here. Okay, let's try this one. That's how it looks. Oh yeah, this one, I love this one too. It's kind of like a light copper tone. See if you can see that there. They're really shiny. So I think, oh yeah, these are really pretty. I think I'm really, really gonna love these. I can't wait to try them out. Okay, well, I did drop them. Okay, I'm back. So, sorry about that. Trying to fit everything on my counter here and it's getting kind of filled up, so starting to drop things. All right, let's see what else I got in here. Oh, you know what? I did get another one. I thought I had 4. So, this one's called Purple Regan. Okay, let's try. Ooh, this is a pretty purple. I think I'm gonna like this one too. I think I'm gonna be a big fan of these. I'm probably gonna end up buying the whole collection. Ooh, that's pretty. I love these. They're really sparkly. That's it right there. Really pretty. Oh, wow. Yeah, I can definitely tell. I think these are gonna look really good on, so I'm excited. Okay, they do not want to stay on my counter though. Sorry. I would cut out all these bloopers today, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it original, let y'all see everything, you know, falling, picking it up, whatever. I'm not going to even edit that out. I'm just going to leave it real and original. Alright, so this is a new mascara that I have not tried from them. Well, it's new to me. I think it's kind of fairly new to them. But this one is called Lash It Loud. I want to say Lash It Out Loud, but it's Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara in black. So, I have not tried this one, so I really wanted to. It's got this is the packaging. This is the applicator. You can see that there. Okay, it doesn't want to focus, but yeah, pretty simple. It looks like it would do really good on the eyelashes. I'll have to try that out. Maybe I will, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a video comparing this one to the Mega Volume 1, the purple one I showed in a previous video. I will do a comparison. I'll do this on one eye, I'll do the other one on the other eye on my next video for that. Because I do like to compare mascaras, because they do make a difference. I've come across some of them really work different. I have pretty long natural eyelashes anyway. I don't wear, you know, falsy ones, so yeah, so I do notice that mascaras do make a difference. So I will do a comparison for those. And then, yeah, I had another free gift, so they gave me a little mini one of this mascara. So they're a little different inside, so I'll open it up and show. I do think it's cute if you want to take on travel or whatnot. The actual top here, if you see, is actually longer than this one, but the bottle is quite smaller. But it's cute if you just need to, you know, take it on travel or whatnot. Well, mini size. I mean, okay. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I had it upside down here. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, so sorry. I was looking at it the other way around, but yeah, it's identical to this container. They make it the same way, the top and the bottom, but yeah, there is the size difference on that. So anyway, let's see. Yeah, got the same little wand, just smaller. Same thing. All right, so that's it for today, and sorry about all the dropping the products off my counter, just because I got this box up here and then I'm trying to put all the products to the side on the corner, but yeah, I missed the corner and fell on the floor. So enjoy those bloopers since I'm not going to cut them out. And anyway, I hope you enjoy the unboxing of these products. And if you'd like to see, you know, any, just leave me a comment if you want me to do any video on applying these products, how they actually look, like the little liquid eyeshadows, you know, how they look actually on, and the Cookies and Dream eyeshadow sticks and stuff like that. Just let me know and I'll be happy to do that. Alrighty, again, I hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned for new videos coming soon.